Hello bachcho, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the preparation method of monohalide. This is the second video of haloalkane and haloarene. Yeah. So what we are going to do, the first method is preparation from alcohol. You can write down with me and channel को subscribe कर दीजिए. Alcohol. So the reaction goes like that. ROH, this is alcohol, plus SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. It forms RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. So this is monohalide. Let's discuss the preparation method and mechanism of it. So very important to understand the mechanism also for JE. For Neet, you can just study the examples and the direct mechanism. So there is a ROH, right? And there is a lone pair present on oxygen plus SOCl2. You can make the SOCl2 like that. As this attack on S, this will go. Cl will leave, better leaving group, so it will form R O positive S double bond O Cl. Okay, H. Now what will happen in this case? This will goes in the presence of pyridine. The formation of R O S double bond O Cl, right? So Cl will attack on R again and it will form RCl plus this bond will break and it will goes here. So S double bond O and then we have a double bond O. Remember, this is the SN2 mechanism, so it will follow the SN2 mechanism. The formation of RCl will be here. This is the mechanism, you can write down. The same reaction you can do like that also. Another example, you have a SOCl2, pyridine, which is an organic base. In the presence of pyridine, it will form CH2Cl, CH2Cl, and here it is OCH3 will not change, plus SO2 plus HCl. So this is also a good example of it. Let's discuss the next method, which is by grooves method. Method number 2, by grooves method. We will discuss the mechanisms also. So what you have to do, ROH plus HX in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it will form Rx plus H2O. This is the general mechanism. Let's discuss the mechanism. ROH plus ZnCl2. What will happen here? RO. This will attack on Zn, right? So it will form, there is a Zn negative, there is a positive bond here, H. Okay, this will forward with the SN1 and this bond will break. It will form R positive plus ZnCl2 OH. Further, Cl minus will attack here and it will form RCl. So this is the reaction, goes like that. In case of lower concentration of ZnCl2, no rearrangement occur. ठीक है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा rearrangement हो सकता है. Are you able to understand this? Let's discuss the example. CH3 CH CH3 CH2OH SCl anhydrous LCl3 or ZnCl2. You can write down ZnCl2. It will give CH3 CCl CH3 CH3. This is measured because of the rearrangement, and then we have CH3 CH CH2 Cl CH3. So this is minor because no rearrangement. So rearrangement will occur, the carbocation forms and the carbocation will rearrange itself, and since there is a positive charge here which will comes here, and 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 1 degree, so rearrangement occur. I hope you are able to understand this. So in case of low concentration of ZnCl2, there will be no rearrangement and accent to follow. So you can write down note also. If low concentration of ZnCl2, no rearrangement possible. No rearrangement. Low concentration if it is given of ZnCl2. This is Grove's method. Remember, the order of reactivity for this reaction is in case generally HX में HI is the fast reactive, then HBr, then your HCl. So order of reactivity you must remember. Order of reactivity of alcohol with HX, this must you remember also. With HX is tertiary is the most reactive, then secondary, degree and primary. In case of tertiary, without ZnCl2 also reaction takes place. Without ZnCl2 also reaction takes place. So you must remember that also. Okay. HX in the presence of ZnCl2. Order of reactivity for this reaction is HI will be more reactive when ROH added to HCl. HI will be more reactive than HCl, and you have to remember that. Tertiary butyl, in case of tertiary butyl, you must remember that also. Tertiary butyl, you can make it. Suppose you have COH, here CH3, CH3, CH3. This carbocation is very stable and it will attack. Without ZnCl2, this reaction takes place. Plus H2. Tertiary butyl chloride will be formed. The next method will be, this is very, Grove's method is very good method. Fourth is bromo and iodoalkanes से हम बनाएंगे. Remember, this is all about ROH, okay? So what you have to do, you have C2H5OH, ethanol is added with KBr plus H2SO4, that will also give C2H5Br, reaction takes place, plus KHSO4 plus H2O. Okay, C2H5Br will be formed. The next reaction in such scenario is also with Ki, C2H5OH plus Ki plus Ki plus H2SO4, that will give C2H5I, okay, plus KHSO4 plus H2O. ब्रोमो एंड आइडो अल्केन से भी यहाँ पे आप बना सकते हो, ठीक है। और द अनदर मेथड इज C2H5OH plus, what do you have to add? You can add Ki plus H3PO4, H3PO4, that will also give C2H5I plus C2H5I plus KH3PO4. Remember what I am saying, KH3PO4 plus water. So these are the reaction with bromo and iodoalkane. You can write down. The next reaction is very easy one. Reaction of RH, ROH with P and I2, P plus I2. So this reaction goes like that: 6 moles of ROH plus 2P plus 3I2 gives 6Ri, plus H3PO4. Okay, H3PO3 or H3PO4. So there will be H3PO3. This reaction you can remember. R could be any alkyl group, it could be CH3. And you can write down the example by yourself: CH3OH plus this. Okay, it will form CH3I. Same I2 की जगह आप 3Br2 भी ले सकते हो. The reaction follows same. CH3OH plus 2P plus 3Br2 करके बताइए इसे, ठीक है. तो CH3Br 6 moles plus H3PO3. This reaction goes like that. Next reaction will be Finkelstein reaction, 6th Finkelstein. What is that? You have CH3CH2Br plus NaI. This is for the formation of iodoalkane. So in the presence of acetone, it will give CH3CH2I plus NaBr. This is called Finkelstein reaction. Name reaction है, very important, must remember. इसमें हम क्या लेते हैं बेसिकली, फिंकलस्टीन में जो आपको लेना होता है वो होता है एक तरह से आयोडोएल्केन बनाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. आयोडोएल्केन किससे? ब्रोमोअल्केन से. ये ब्रोमोअल्केन है. सो दिस रिएक्शन गोज लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट आप स्वाट रिएक्शन लिख सकते हो जो कि फ्लोरोअल्केन से बनाया जाता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड लास्ट रिएक्शन फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर, फ्लोरोअल्केन. In case of fluoroalkane, what you have to do? SWAT reaction mainly. Your CH3Cl plus AgF or CH3Cl plus Hg2F2. Both the case, same result. CH3F, fluoroalkane, formation of fluoroalkane plus CH3F plus AgCl. Same case here, 2 moles of CH3F, so you have to take it 2 plus, what will be the result? HgCl2, Hg2Cl2. So this will be the next reaction. Now from ether also you can make, but we will discuss in next video. Thanks for watching this video and चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और चेकआउट अदर वीडियोस ऑल्सो फ्रॉम एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.